Hi there students. In this video I want to look at two French phrases. One is mot juste and the other is bon mot. Okay, so the first question with these is pronunciation. If I was speaking English, I would pronounce these words in French, mot juste. But I think you could probably say mot juste. Yeah, and then I would say bon mot or bon mot. Notice mot, M-O-T, in French the final consonant is silent. So I'd say mot juste, bon mot. Mot juste, bon mot. Okay, so what does mot juste mean? Well, mot juste is the perfect, the appropriate word or words for a situation. Exactly the right word, the right phrasing, the right expression, which sums up, is the epitome of what you want to say. It's the perfect choice of words. So if you have the gift of the gab, then it's very possible, it's easy for you to find the mot juste, the appropriate thing to say at the time. For me, it's not always easy to find the mot juste in every situation, particularly if I'm ad-libbing in a video. So, mot juste, this comes from mot, M-O-T, word, and juste, right. So the right word. So you can see how that works. Now, bon mot is a clever saying, a funny phrase, a witticism, a funny comeback or reply, a quip, some sort of banter or repartee where you say something that's really funny. Yeah, something that makes people laugh. So a bon mot, a witticism, something that's clever, intelligent and funny at the same time. So maybe if you have a tense situation and you're looking for the mot juste, the appropriate words, some bon mot, some clever saying might be the mot juste to dissolve the tense situation. Yeah? As we parted, we interchanged a few bon mots. Okay? So notice again, the origin here is French. Bon, good, and mot, word. So good word. Okay, so mot juste and bon mot. So your next question is going to be, what about the formality of these? Well, I would say that these probably are neutral formality. However, I think both of these phrases sound very middle class or very posh. So I wouldn't suggest using these words in a pub in the East End. It depends who you're talking to. Okay? So be careful where to use it. I think if you're writing to use these in a semi-formal or formal framework, I don't think you would have any problem. Yeah? Although I think probably these words are more common spoken. Yeah? But in a middle class or a posh conversation, yeah, maybe these are the mot juste in a conversation with well-educated middle class people. Okay, so mot juste, the right word, the right phrase in a situation. Bon mot, a clever or witty saying, a funny comment or remark. It's also clever and intelligent at the same time. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mot juste, bon mot.